In this video, we will learn how to make a list in Excel by using data validation option and how we can use that list in making one-line summary sheets. So let's start. So here we have a mock data in which we have materials like paper, plastic, metal and fabrics. There are the different materials which are repeating and their price, date and color is given. Their price and quantity is also mentioned, and the product of quantity and price is the total amount. So here is the amount of each individual item. We want to make single line summary sheet in which we want to see total amount of that particular item like paper, plastic or something else, and what is the total discount amount, and what is the total repetition. Like, and here is a paper and how many times the paper is repeating in this data. So that number of repetitions, what is the maximum value, maximum price in this given data of that particular material, and what is the minimum price of that particular material in this data. So first of all, we create a list of materials. Under the material cell, we will create a list. For that, we go to the data tab and data validation option. The shortcut is at AVB. So from setting options, any value to change list. From list, select the source. Source is the material. So select all the materials, everything. It will automatically choose the unique items. Don't worry about it. Okay, so the list is formed. Simply click that. So you will see the different items 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this data, only 4 unique items are present: paper, plastic, metal and fabrics. For now, we will select the paper. So now we want to see total amount of the paper. Total amount of the paper, like here is 806 and here is 506. So we want to sum up all the paper which is present, sum up all the amounts of the paper which is present in this list. For that, we will use SUMIF formula. For that, equals to SUMIF. Right, SUMIF, press tab. So range. First, our first input is our range. So what is the range? Range is an array of the criteria where the criteria is present. Our criteria is paper. So where the paper is present in this array, or you may say, or in this column. So select this column from material to this everything, comma. What is our criteria? Our criteria is this paper. And what is our sum range? Our sum range is the amount. So here is the amount. So it will automatically sum up everything. Press enter. So the total amount of paper is 4869. It is the total amount. Similarly, we want to see the discount amount. For discount amount, we again use the SUMIF formula, and we can select the range where the paper is present. Paper is present in this column, comma. What is our criteria? Our criteria is paper. Here is the paper, comma. What is our sum range? This time our sum range is amount after this count. So this is our sum range. Enter. So it is the discount amount. Now we want to see how many times the paper is present in this list. For that, simply use the COUNTIF formula, equals to COUNTIF formula. Press tab. What is the range? Our range where is criteria is present. Our criteria is present in the list in the material column. Select all column. Press comma. What is our criteria? Our criteria is paper, and press enter. So it is our criteria. Paper is present 17 times in this data. Now we will see maximum price in this whole data. What is the maximum price of the paper? For that, we will use MAXIFS formula. MAXIFS formula is present in Excel. Press tab. What is the maximum range? We have to see the price, so we will select the price column. Everything under price, comma. What is our criteria range? Criteria range is always the range where the criteria is present. So it is a materials column, comma. And after that, what is our criteria? Criteria is our paper. Enter. So in this way, you get your maximum price, right? After that, what is our minimum price? So for minimum price, we will use a minimum formula, minimum ifs formula. Minimum ifs bracket start, minimum range. What is the range? Range is our present in price. So select everything under price, comma. What is our criteria range? Our criteria is present in material, comma. What is our criteria? So our criteria is papers, enter. So this is the minimum amount of papers present in this data, right? Similarly, if you now if you want to see other metals, like you want to see the metals, so maximum price is this, minimum price is this, total amount is this, and discount amount is this. After that, if you want to see the fabrics, so values are changes accordingly. Now, if you want to see other things like purchase date, color, and material, you can use index match formula. For that, a complete video is formed already, and the link of that video is given in the description. Now, if you don't want to use index match formula, then you may use conditional formatting. In conditional formatting, you can highlight entire row on the basis of maximum value, maximum price and minimum price. To learn conditional formatting in detail, the link is in description. So we use here conditional formatting to highlight entire row on the basis of maximum value and minimum value. So first of all, we see maximum value. On the basis of maximum value, first of all, we will select all data. After that, go to conditional formatting, new rule, and use a formula, and write here equals to where the maximum and minimum, where the maximum price. So where the maximum price is present, maximum price is present in E column. So E, and the row number is 12. Okay, equals to maximum price. Then the formatting will apply is like bold, and change the color this, and fill will goes like maximum value, so green color. So we can use green color. Okay. So this formatting will apply maximum value. Okay. So fabrics maximum value is 99.34. Where it is present in 22 row or serial number 10. Right. Similarly, we can apply conditional formatting on the basis of minimum price. On the basis of minimum price. For that, simply go to conditional formatting, manage rule, change here to entire sheet, duplicate it, and simply edit it, and edit where the minimum value is G in column G. So change F to G. Here is F. Change it to G, and apply formatting, red color, and okay, and okay. So it is the minimum value. Apply and okay. So minimum value is 5.91. So where it is present in 30th serial number. Fabric, red. This everything is highlighting. So in this way, you can form quick summary in one row. So this is all about today. Hoping to see you in next video.